Hi, today we're going to be taking a quick look at relationship workflows. So, if you remember looking at the different workflows, relationships is one of them. It's the last one over here. You can go ahead and create one if you don't already have an existing one. But just to give you an idea, relationship workflows were created to keep track of a group or list of people that you just want to track and keep conversations with. It's not necessarily a deal flow kind of thing, not necessarily fundraising either, not a due diligence. It's a bit more general. You might want to keep track of, for example, service providers in one space, maybe a group of people that you met at a specific concert or dinner or party. You want to keep track of them in one place, group them, rather than having an Excel sheet. You can also keep track of the conversations you're having in there. So it is really wonderful if you don't want to miss any data. And I think it's very helpful to keep track of service providers, especially as a firm, as you go on like 5, 6 years. You will be able to know which service providers to value better and actually utilize for your due diligence or maybe investment support. So, highly recommend checking the relationship workflow out. But let's just take a look at it really quickly. So, let me write relationship. So it is so your relationships with VCs. So if you have relationships with VCs that you might want to, co-invest with in the future, it's also a great way to keep track of. And here we get a view of all the different VCs that we've spoken with. I can see we have different activities with. These are point people in my team, like who's in conversation with you. And then I can also filter, column, and export this information if need be. Also, if any files were attached, they would all be in here. So any pitch decks, anything like that, all in one place. Now, if I want to keep track of conversations, it's all in here. I can just go to Spin Top Ventures, for example, and see that there was actually an email. This is an email that my colleague had, and there were 3 files that were attached in this email. So this was automatically extracted from my colleague's email and put into here. This is super helpful if you decide to sync your email. You get to see how it looks like in the workflows. So highly recommend if you want to add a note, as usual, go through the add interaction process. So it's as simple as that. Relationships are mainly here to keep track of your grouping of people. So if it was relationships with M&A advisors instead, then that would be that. And you have them all in one place. Highly recommend also testing out different filters and how that would kind of utilize your information. But yeah, if you have any questions about the relationship workflows or you would like to share any of your use cases, please don't hesitate to let us know. But yeah, thank you.